she was able to go into a judge and get a harassment injunction on me for the things I posted on Facebook that they illegally obtained.
The defendant may not post any message on social media to or about the plaintiff. Is that what you wanted?
Yes, Your
Okay.
Honor.
Did you want anything else? I just want to be sure that I'm covering. Oh, I've also ordered that I think I already said that she can't go on or near where you live or where you work. And then I said the defendant may not post any message on social media to or about the plaintiff.
Well, we wouldn't be able to see it. She made it private after the officer went to her house and told her to stop posting, so.
Slower, say that again.
She made her Facebook account private now so nobody can see what she's posting.
Well, that I don't think I can do anything about that. Well, I mean, if somehow private, does that mean she can still, I'm vaguely familiar with Facebook. Does that mean she can still post things, but
Yes.
you can't see it?
Yes. Only people that's on her first Facebook account, they can see it.
Well, you're right. In terms of proof, that'll be difficult. But in terms of this order, she's not even allowed to do that. If she does that, she's violating my order. And if you can prove it, then she could be charged with a misdemeanor. Okay? Anything else?
No, Your Honor.
Again, I know this may not take care of all of your concerns. I just can't think of what else I could do. Or again, my order prevents her from any type of message about you. It's just a matter of either the police or you being able to show that even in private messages, she's still doing that.
When you own a gun and you get a restraint order of protection against it, can you still own a gun?
I'm sorry. Say that again.
Okay, if you get a order of protection, can you still own the gun?
Well, you haven't alleged a gun.
Yeah, she has a gun.
Okay.
She posted that on Facebook too.
What did she post on Facebook too?
The gun that she has in her,
Okay, did she threaten you with the gun?
Yeah, because that target is the gun. And she posted the gun on Facebook also.
Okay, let me see the posting of the gun. Where is this in relationship to the bullseye? In other words, was it posted before? Was it posted after?
It was posted after.
Was that on Facebook?
Yes, Your Honor. Everything is on Facebook or YouTube. There's videos on YouTube, but I can't activate the videos because I'm away from my Wi-Fi.
The court finds that, furthermore, that the defendant represents a credible threat to the physical safety of the plaintiff. Therefore, it's order prohibiting the defendant from possessing or purchasing a firearm and ordering that the defendant transfer a firearm to the Mesa Police Department within 24 hours of service of this order.
She goes in and she presents this to the judge, and then apparently he grants an injunction of harassment against me for what I posted on Facebook. My first time ever in court with this woman, and whoa, I mean, like, seriously, it blew my mind. She went back years on my Facebook and found everything and anything that made me look bad, which really didn't make me look bad, but in her eyes, she thought that it was character stuff, had nothing to do with anything. It wasn't relevant at all to any of it. and then the stories and the lies that came out of her mouth, from the minute she opened her mouth, there was nothing but lies, and I'm just baffled, dumbfounded.
It's way out of control, and I'm just nervous all the time. And with the guns, you know, because the order was that she could not have guns, but I talked to a sergeant, and I have his badge number and everything, stated if it's not exactly specific about the guns, they do not make her give them up, because she told the officer they did not belong to her, they were registered to her husband. But my concern there is, you know, she still has access to the guns, because they live together, they're husband and wife, and she still has access to the gun. Whether she, you know, would do anything or not, how do I know that? You know, with this, you know, her state of mind with the passion of the stray cats, you know. I did come back in, and the clerk there told me that I would get a phone call to modify the order about the guns, and I have the statement here.
The testimony is that she doesn't own a gun.
Her husband does, but with the target, she said that she hasn't been to the target range for two years.
Mm-hmm.
That shows that she does have a gun. You know, even if it belongs to her husband, you know, and I still feel that if the guns are in her presence, she has access to them. So I came back to modify that, and it says, "Hi, my name is Connie Wingo, and I'm asking the courts for amending."
You have to have a hearing. You can't just write that down and send it. You have to come in.
I did.
Okay. They didn't set it up for a hearing for that. They set it up for a hearing on her request. So if you want to do that, you'll have to ask them what you need to do to modify to include weapon.
That's what I did. And they filmed it.
It was not the purpose of the hearing today.
Oh, okay.
The purpose of the hearing today was because she requested a hearing.
Oh, okay.
On wanting to be heard because she wasn't heard.
Oh, okay. I
So,
understand now.
Okay?
Okay.